Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to use laptop mode on Motorola Razr Fold. Laptop mode is supported by some apps, so in some apps it will work fully okay. It automatically turns itself on once you enter an app in the laptop mode. To do it, you need to be partially folded like that at about a 90-degree angle. And it will work best if your camera is on the top part. That's how it'll work best, but remember, be careful about the screen not to scratch it, so don't set it on a hard table. Just hold it. It's just more comfortable if you hold it anyway. Then go to an app that supports it, for example Perplexity. And as you can see, the bottom part now shows me a trackpad, which I can use to use a cursor or something. When I get to a text field, I can ask something. And you can see there are some controls that you could use, for example, change your brightness or stuff like that. And that's how it works. You can also go to the settings to adjust the laptop mode settings, and you can select which apps are allowed to use the laptop mode. You can see not all of them are listed, only the ones that are listed can be used in laptop mode. So for example, LinkedIn as well would be possible to use. You can see I can use the trackpad and stuff like that. I can click here to exit laptop mode, and the button will be floating. I can put it anywhere, and when I click on it, I open the laptop mode. And that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.